Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Bilal and welcome to my mini blog. So I'm traveling to the Ludhiana and it's my college project. So let's see, it's a very first time I am shooting any uh, traveling vlog or any kind of vlog. So let's see what I'm serving to you. So now finally I have reached at SS Nagar railway station. It was quite risky for me. So it was a two traffic and I was thinking that I would get late. But so guys, you may see the rush of people. Train is moving slowly as you can see. Yeah, so finally arrived at Ludhiana Junction and many people around me and I was scared and little bit nervous to speak in front of them. But as you can see, okay, so now I have to book my cab. I'm looking for the Rapido or any bike taxi. So let's meet after the reach at home. So hello again. So this was my small travel vlog from Chandigarh University to Ludhiana by train. Actually, I got a bit sick. That's why I couldn't record properly, and also I couldn't show you some places of Ludhiana. From my side, thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you and bye.